guys, say hi, Maddie. We're gonna do some slime today. Say hi, Max.
Hello.
We're gonna do the directions. Look at what we got here. We got our Elmer's Glue Slime Starter Pack. I don't know where we got it. Do you guys remember? No, I don't remember. Okay, we're gonna look at the directions. What do you need? Elmer's Clear Glue.
It says so.
Right here. Here it is. Elmer's Clear Glue. It comes in the package. Here's another one. Elmer's Clear Glue comes in the package.
And then there's two glitter glues.
Then
it can be pink. It can be pink or blue. It
says the next thing is contact solution. Then the next thing it says pure baking soda. That's the next ingredient. And it says you need a container. We're just gonna use a metal bowl here. And we're gonna use a mixing utensil. I don't know what we got yet. Maybe like a spatula. And food coloring option and glitter option. So here is the glitter glue.
So the first thing it
Here's
says
the other glitter glue.
So the first thing it says to do is to pour entire bottles into the bowl.
Pour out entire bottle of the 5-ounce Elmer's Clear Glue. So show them the clear glue and you're gonna start pouring them out. Hey, Maddie.
Mine says
Clear, Maddie, Max.
no. Mine says glitter. It says pour entire bottle of 6 FLOZ Elmer's glitter glue into the container.
Oh, I don't know why yours says that.
Okay, I'm just gonna do it anyway.
So do it the way that one says it.
Glue.
I don't know why they're different.
I'll just do the way it said on mine. So probably if we put both in, that would get us more.
No, it says clear glue, Max.
No, this
Yes,
is
it does.
This is the first step.
No, we're reading the. Oh, you're reading the back.
Yeah. This is the direction.
Okay, glitter, Maddie. We're putting on.
So put the 2 glitters in if you want
We
more.
could probably unscrew the whole top, and it'd be go
I'm
faster.
gonna do both.
Okay, here Maddie goes. She's pouring in her glitter glue.
Me too.
And Max, you can undo the lid. Unscrew the whole lid like Maddie did. And it'll come out faster.
Okay.
Okay, Maddie's squeezing in her pink glitter glue bottle.
You mean bottles?
Yep, she's gonna do 2 bottles. Here's one.
This is kind of hard. Hey, mine's farting. And it kind of farts a little.
Yeah. Bring your sleeves up.
There's glue on my arm. So we got our first bottle in. Almost. So now I'm putting my second bottle in.
Okay.
I think and that'll just make it get us a little more slime. If we put the second bottle in, it'll just get us a little more slime.
Yep.
So it's not very bad. I'll put extra in. It won't open.
Here, you gotta hold the camera. Put it on Max or something while I'm doing this.
So Maddie, so I'm almost done with the second glue bottle.
Here's the second one, man.
So next it says add 1 to 2 teaspoons of baking soda and mix. So where's the baking soda?
Let's get a teaspoon first, Max.
Okay.
Let's go to the drawer.
Yeah.
Over here and show me.
Which drawer?
We're gonna get down to this drawer right here. And I think it said teaspoon. It's all scratched up. This is a teaspoon. Right here, hold on. I'm gonna hold it to the camera. 1 TSP, that means teaspoon.
Okay. So 1. So
Maddie's pouring more of her glitter glue in there.
so it's 2. So put the camera on me, Dad. So we're gonna do 2 scoops. It says 1 to 2, so I'm gonna do 2 because we did more.
Wait, hold on. It says a half tablespoon with TBSP. It's a tablespoon on mine. It probably should be the same on yours, huh? Hold on. Yep, tablespoon. TBSP, that means tablespoon. Okay. Right here. The one with the big T. Let's put that on the camera. Here, give me this. No, don't get too close. It says it has a big T on it. It says half teaspoon, so we're gonna do.
So the
says
teaspoon
that
is not the right one. We got confused on that.
Yep. So it's tablespoon. So a half of one of those. So a full, yeah, all the way full.
So like this full.
Yep. And pour that in.
And then it says mix. It says mix thoroughly.
Yeah, mix thoroughly. Let's get a spatula.
Okay, where's the spatula? With this.
It should be in that second drawer.
Okay, I'm ready for the baking soda.
Still some at the bottom here.
Will this work?
No, like the blue ones, the spatulas.
Okay.
I don't know, they might be in the dishwasher.
I guess they are.
On the top row, the very top thing.
Very nothing. Blue spatula. I got it. Maxwell, you're gonna ruin this.
Okay, mix it good.
Maxwell, I think you ruined it. So we're mixing it.
Maddie, let's get another spatula.
There's not another. Hey, did you pour in yet? So you mix it until we can't really see the white stuff anymore. So we're kind of just like mixing it until we can't see the baking powder. It's just like the glitter glue. That's all we can see.
Yep.
And I guess we just move on to the next step.
Okay,
making this.
Okay, Maddie, we're gonna do this step.
What? So, one or two? Just one?
One scoop.
Hey,
So it's a half of tablespoon.
I'm on to put does this look good? That the lens solution on. And so the contact lens solution.
Yep.
It's time for this.
It says.
What? Is this good,
It
Dad?
says 1 1/4 tablespoons. Yep.
Okay. Where's the
Good?
tablespoon?
Is this good?
It's right here.
Is this good, Daddy?
Yeah. Okay. Now use your
Hey, can I have the
Spatula.
tablespoon?
mix it together.
Can I say in your lap, Daddy? My face gonna be glued to me.
I didn't really notice that the contact lens solution wasn't open.
Yep.
So we're gonna open it.
Okay. Now do it over your bowl. And no, use your tablespoon thing.
Yeah.
Fill that up twice because it's only a half of one.
So we fill it up twice.
Yep. That equals 1, but then we're gonna do a quarter after that too.
Is this looking good? Good?
Yep.
So
I
we're
think we-
just,
Good.
so
don't
pour.
think-
And do another one full. That almost out?
No, it's brand new.
No, but it sounded weird. No, do a little bit more because it said a quarter. So that equaled 1, and we're gonna do a quarter, so half of that spoon.
Okay,
Just fill it halfway up.
I got it about halfway.
Okay, looks good. Now, Maxwell's gonna mix that up together.
Did it really say that?
What? Says what?
It says the next step says to just mix until the slime gets hard.
Mix until
start.
mixture gets harder to mix. Can we have the tablespoon in the contact solution?
That is on that step.
Maddie's gonna do this step. Max
And
is
we're just
mixing.
gonna mix until it gets hard and starts forming slime. So we're just gonna get it. We're just gonna kind of mix it around until it starts forming
Go all the
slime.
way to the top.
Hey, it's starting to form slime.
Okay.
Do you think
Do
this is
another one.
enough? Like slime?
Okay, do another one, Maddie.
Just half? Do you think
No,
it's ready?
full.
Do you think it's ready?
I don't know. Just keep mixing. Okay, now do half. Okay.
I think it's hard enough and ready.
That's good. Now Maddie can
I
mix.
guess it's ready. We're moving on to the next step.
Okay, what's the next step?
So we're gonna take the slime and out and start like needling it with both hands, like pulling it.
Yep.
So this is the messy part.
But let's put this on. If you're gonna mess with it, put it on this mat. Okay. Move this stuff and put it on the mat, Bubba.
All right.
Don't put that over there. Can you grab that? Max, grab it. Get it over.
So where do we put it?
Well, in the bowl, because you're gonna take the slime out and just leave the thing in the bowl.
Do you think I got good enough?
Whoa, it's making it.
Let me just get this off of there. Okay, I think I'm ready. Oh my god.
So like pull it out of the bowl because it gets stuck. Dad, can you hold this? Because
Whoa,
it's
it's sticking to my hands.
Yeah.
Can you pull the spatula out with the other hand? I mean, no, you can't.
Oh.
Too sticky.
It's stuck to the spatula.
Yeah. Ready? I'm gonna take it out.
It's kind of hard to take out.
Yeah, alright. It's sticking to my hands.
Oh, we didn't put in. Were we supposed to put in both of the clear glues?
It doesn't mention the.
Oh.
It doesn't even mention the clear glue. Does it?
No, I guess it's just because this is the color. So you can do clear or you can. Oh, clear, you can add the color to it. Make your own color if you want.
Yeah.
Oh,
So the clear's
Oh, so we were only supposed to do 1 6-ounce bottle though. Is that why it's too sticky? I think it's too sticky.
It's slime. It's supposed to be sticky.
I know, but it's not supposed to be that sticky. I don't think.
Yeah.
It's supposed to like just stay off your hands.
Okay, I guess
I
we already
think-
got it.
Maddie, let's put some more baking soda on it because we put 2 bottles in.
Okay, can you take this off of my hands, maybe?
No. We gotta do another
Stretch.
half tablespoon. I don't know if this is even gonna mix together. And then
This is gonna be all messy. It's not gonna mix. This is not gonna mix very well.
Max, you should probably.
Alright.
Stuck.
I'm pretty much. Oh
Max,
no.
put some more in there.
Oh no, I
Put it
didn't
in
take
there.
this.
Put it in
Oh.
It's stuck on me.
Uh,
It's like making a spider web. It feels like.
ugh. My hands are like a web.
I can't put this in here.
Someone gotta mix that. I'm too sticky.
I can't pull my hands out of the slime.
Ugh.
Help.
Ick.
I'm probably where's the camera go?
I didn't think theirs would be.
Right there.
Oh. Well, we kind of messed up because it got too sticky. It's really sticky now. But see,
Oh, we
it's
really
sticky.
messed up.
It won't get off of me.
Get off me.
It
Slime.
won't get off of me.
Yes, seriously. It's all stuck on me. It's like all stuck on me.
This is kind of hard.
Oh, goodness.
It's like a rubber ball.
It's like a big ball.
It's It's a big ball of rubber.
Wait a minute. Hey, hold on.
It's all stuck to me.
Don't keep grabbing it. I'm trying to.
Oh, I'm trying to.
Too much. Slimy, slimy, slime.
It's gonna mix together now. Because it already created like a plastic. Yeah, if you squeeze it, maybe mix together better.
Wait. Let me get some
What?
of this off of me.
It's kind of missing. It's kind of gonna. Well, wait. We kind of messed up. It's kind of chunky.
Yeah, and
Funky chunky.
slimy.
Well,
It's not working out very well though.
When you need it,
It's chunky,
need
spunky,
it and
unky, punky.
if you need it and get it together,
Didn't
it'll,
work out very well.
Oh goodness. It's all stuck to me. I don't know
Yeah, it's
how
all
I'm gonna get
stuck.
my hands clean.
It's totally stuck.
To me.
Yeah. How are we gonna do this? It's totally stuck to me.
Okay.
It's all gross on me.
Yeah.
It's all like
Owie. Owie. Oh, there's so much slime. Let's just keep
Kinda like
doing
smushed.
this. I like it.
you gotta knead it and stretch it.
I think it looks good.
I'm trying to get all the bumps out of it.
Is it looking good?
Well, it's starting to get better with sticking on us.
Yeah. Okay.
So I guess it's kind of working out, but didn't work out that well.
Once you get it like this, Max, see it's kind of like
It's too
it's
stuck.
getting into like one thing now. See, and it doesn't stick to you.
I know, but I can't do that. It's too slippery and slimy.
Yahoo!
It's about kneading it and getting it all mixed together.
I didn't wash my hands. It's too stuck to me.
All right. Is it better? It's all sticking out of the slime after me. Good.
Mm-hmm.
This is much better. Whoa. It's all lifting. Oh. Let me get some more slime. It's so wet. Yeah. Oh, yuck. Okay, we'll just do that. Whoa, that's a lot. Stretchy. Look how stretchy it is. Whoa. Good thing we added extra glue to make it.
It was extra of the other stuff.
Ugh.
It was the baking soda.
Right. This is stretchy.
I got all the icky goo off me.
Well, it sticks it off you. Ta-da! Look at my hands.
Well, it's not very much working out.
Yeah, it is. Max, it's working now. Once we get them mixed
Yeah,
together.
we just need to mix
Look
it
at
together.
Maddie's. It's a perfect slime.
It's almost, but it's kind of chunky. Well, we didn't get everything right. That's one of the problems.
Now we did. Look.
Well, I
It's
guess
all one.
we eventually fixed our mistakes.
You just have to knead it.
So now we have like perfect slime. And and we're pretty much almost
Wow,
done.
look at that.
Yeah.
We.
It's very slippery. All right.
Like a bouncy ball.
Let me try.
So that's the video.
This is how to make slime at home. Look at this.
How do we end the video, Dad? Slime.
Look, we got the blue slime. And we got the pink slime.
I love this.
Yeah.
Whee!
It's not very stretchy. stretchy. It's kind of hard.
It's real stretchy.
Yeah, it's real stretchy.
Okay, end of the video. Say bye.
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 How to make slime. Do, do, do.
I love blue beer.